Joining me on this broadcast on News Track is Wing Commander Anubha Acharya, who is a spokesperson with the Congress. We also have RP Singh of the BJP. Good evening. Thank you very much for your time. Wing Commander Acharya, I'd like to begin with you. And yes, you're a spokesperson of the Congress, but as someone who served in the forces, I'd like you to tell us what you think of these names and whether you believe that the fact that it's called Operation Mahadev, whether it's called Operation Shiv Shakti, whether any of that matters, whether forces see it as, a religious name.
Good evening to you, Akshita, and the other panelists. I must tell you that in last 25 years, I have seen lots of operations, but the names were Operation Gagan Shakti, Operation Trishul, Operation Thunderbolt, Operation Iron Fist, Operation Vijay, Operation Parakram. This name Sindoor seems to be somebody is emotionally exploiting us. This is not the way of how armed forces ever done it. Even Indian Air Force, the operation conducted in Balakot was called Operation Bandar. So it wasn't again, it was not to one particular religion. Now here, I have been told from people that by the people that Prime Minister Modi chose this name, Operation Sindoor. So definitely it was for a political purpose. It was for political gimmicks, and that is what. But he has actually exploited the people, and at the end of it, he actually traded Sindoor with the trade. So the problem here is this was never a culture of the armed forces to name operations in one particular religion, wherein now this Mahadev, Shiva Shakti, then it is the month of Shravan, all sorts of things. It is kind of, politicizing the army, making them very on fragmented on the religious notes. We are the people who always had our all the four places of worship in one ground, whether it is
But
a
Wing
church,
Commander,
whether it's a mandir.
Wing Commander Acharya, even the examples that you gave me, you referred to Operation Trishul. If those names were okay, why not Operation Mahadev or Operation Shiv Shakti?
The Operation Trishul was tri-services and it was for a different purpose. And you also, I knew that you will pick and choose this one, but I spoke. But Trishul name was given, but it is like, look at this, Operation Sindoor. And the Prime Minister naming the operation. And unfortunately, you know what happened this time? The Indian Air Force, for last two times, it has been used on the non-military targets. Indian Air Force has been insulted because it is a service which actually brings the decision to the war, any war. We cannot use it for political purpose or a non-military target. This is such a shameful thing. So not only the names which are emotionally exploiting, this is demeaning my Indian Air Force.
Okay, let me bring in Mr. RP Singh of the BJP. Mr. RP Singh, the allegation right now from the opposition is that there is a certain religious hue or religious color being given to our forces and the military operations that they're taking up by giving these clear names pertaining and related only to one religion.
Well, Madam also took name of Gagan Shakti. Gagan Shakti is again a Hindu name, but they want name should be Operation Al-Hil, Operation Jare Azab, Operation Al-Mizan, Operation Rahat Nizad, Operation Radul Fasad. These are the names they are looking for. And then that's the names of the operation which Pakistan keeps, and they want such names to be kept here. But fact is that hill is a Mahadev hill, and that's why it was named as Operation Mahadev. But they have to actually, for them, it is just religion. For them, it is just vote bank. And then tomorrow they'll say, why Bharat? Bharat is a Vedic name. I mean, why keep Bharat as a name? So they'll question that also. So for them, everything is religion, and is really, I mean, it's nauseous when for every Indian to hear all this. What Madam was also saying, that why Operation Sindoor? I mean, Operation Sindoor would have been kept by the army. I mean, I don't know how does he know that it was kept by the Prime Minister, but it would have been kept by the army. But again, reminding the forces that they have to take revenge of the 20 Sindoors which were done away by the Pakistan terrorists.
Okay.
So this is how things happen.
No, but Mr. RP Singh, you started off by listing a number of other suggested names for military operations, saying this is what the Congress wants, and seemingly Muslim names. What's wrong with that? That's perfectly fine too.
Asking me?
Yes.
these are names which are kept by Pakistan. These are the names of the operation which was kept by the Pakistan from the Quran. So they can do it, but and also they can name for example Operation Jaish Muhammad. But what do our army, the regiment speaks when they go for what are the war cries? If I rightly remember, Jai Mahakali is the Gorkha regiment, Jwala Mahashakti, Jwala Mata Ki Jai by Rajputana Rifles, Jai Bajrang Bali by Bihar regiment, Raja Ramchandar Ki Jai by Rajputana Rifles, Durga Mata Ki Jai by Assam Rifles, Badri Vishal Ki Jai by Garhwal Rifle. Now they should say that they should change this also. And to what level they can go?
Okay, valid point. Wing Commander Anuma Acharya, you know better than anyone, I'm sure, about these war cries of different regiments. And are you going to suggest that that too has a religious hue now? Because cutting across religion, everyone part of that particular regiment chants this war cry.
Whatever is happening around us, nobody is oblivion to that. We all know what BJP is doing. We have a very rich culture in the armed forces. As I said earlier, we have all the 4 places of worship in one place. And we used to do a lot of rituals together. When a new aircrafts come, all the rituals were done together. But what BJP is doing, they are fragmenting everything. They are dividing the armed forces, rich culture into Hindu-Muslim. Now, he was so much keen to speak that we should keep the names like Pakistan Air Force. What level they are ready to stoop down to, I don't know. Because what they have done to our armed forces. The total politicization of armed forces are being done. Armed forces were the silent custodian of our democracy.
No, how so? Anuma Acharya, you know, when we talk of these war cries, it's something that cuts across religion very clearly. It's something that comes out of sheer emotion and what unites them. What you're talking about, I agree with you that, you know, even when you have a jet that's inducted, it's puja and it's also prayers that are conducted in every single religion. And that still happens to date. So are we now cooking up an issue out of nothing?
I'm so surprised. I'm actually not surprised because I know the party in power wants to normalize any such issue and definitely wants to create 2 segments who will fight on this. There was no Hindu Muslim on English channels, so now they have started this. But the basic point remains, when an operation, which is an action, but it has to come, it has to be an apolitical, non-religious name. I think this is incorrect, what has been started recently, and then it all is so scripted. I know when the journalism will come back to India, when the democracy will come back to India, we all will understand that this phase was actually parting everybody into 2. This is what I have to say.
Anuma Acharya, you know, at this point, we can all give sermons right now about journalism, but the reality is that at the end of the day, we're showing 2 sides. We're giving you an opportunity to speak, as I am to Mr. R.P. Singh as well of the BJP, for both of you to put your viewpoints. And ultimately, it's the viewer, the people who will decide what they have to say on it. But Mr. R.P. Singh, go ahead.
Well, how narrow she can go, how narrow Congress can go, I mean, she just now proved it. I mean, even they're casting you or casting the media for taking up issues and issues being raised by Congress party. It's not you who raised the issue or us who raised up the issue. It's the Congress party who taking up the issue. And now, man just now said for Operation Balakot Bandar, Operation Bandar. I mean, again, Bandar is a monkey which connotes Hanumanji. So you can raise, oh, why Bandar then? So they have actually problem with the Indian Hindu civilization. They have the problem with the Indian civilization. And that's how they keep again and again going back to anything which can harm the interests of the nation. And in that way, they go to the level of
what's your response, Mr. R.P. Singh, to allegations that, you know, this is the government going ahead and imposing these names on our forces to cater to their own vote bank? The opposition says the BJP is doing this to cater to your vote bank.
Is that to me?
Yes, Mr. R.P. Singh.
Yeah. So, no. Do you think when Operation Bandar name is kept, we're keeping Hanumani in mind? I mean, what level they are thinking about? I mean, when Operation Mahadev, because that mountain, that hill is named after Mahadev, they should change the name of Operation that hill also. They have problem with that also. So they should change the name. So issue is not that we are catering to a vote bank. It's the natural way of Indian civilization. It's the Hindu civilization which has kept the country together for all these years. But they want to fragment the country. They want to fragment the army. They want to fragment the operations of the army. That was their vote bank politics. And they see everything through the prism of vote bank. And that's why for everything, they have raised question on operation also. They said, Operation Sindoor bakwas hai, Operation Sindoor kya hai, tamasha hai. When all these words are being used by no less than Congress leader, and also to going to extend to safeguarding the interests of Pakistan or propagating the Pakistan's line. When Chidambaram ji says that, oh, we need to check on whether the boys were Indians or whether they terrorists were Indians or they terrorists were Pakistanis. I mean, to this level. So their hatred for Modi, their hatred for Hindutva, their hatred for Indian civilization will go to any extent.
Okay. That's all we have time for right now. Mr. R.P. Singh and Wing Commander Anuma Acharya, thank you very much for joining us here on this broadcast on Newstrack. We leave it to our viewers to decide what they really have to say about this entire controversy. Is it warranted to ask these questions about the kind of names that are being given to military operations of Operation Sindoor, Operation Mahadev, Operation Shiv Shakti? Well, Home Minister Amit Shah in Parliament also speaking on this has said very, very clearly that there's no religious color given to these names. It goes much beyond that when it's associated with the military. And our military, of course, has a long-standing tradition of embracing every religion, seeing beyond religion in every circumstance. So we leave it to you, the viewer, to decide whether these questions are warranted or not.